Chrome Design Hub here. Subscribe, like, leave a comment, interact, guys, ask questions. Okay, on today's episode, we're going to talk about how I navigate this front end development I am currently learning. Okay, here is some daily tips, things that I do daily: 30 minutes of learning, 30 minutes of building, and 10 minutes of reviewing what I have done. All right, simple and short. You don't have to have 8 hours a day before you do this coding of a thing. Coding, coding, coding. Everybody says coding, and it looks so difficult. You just need an hour, 2 hours, and you're done for it. Practice makes perfect. All right, practice beats talent.